In southern Turkey, buildings crumble like sand. Obliterated by some of the worst earthquakes in a century. The first struck before dawn as the country slept. The impact captured on a shop's CCTV, shaking for around 90 seconds. The terror and scale of the damage revealed with the light. The number trapped beneath the rubble is unknown. The death toll is rising, and the aftershocks keep coming. A second 7.6 quake rocked the center of the country, making the rescue efforts even more dangerous.
There was an aftershock of, more than 6 points magnitude, and it did cause a certain extra damage, not just only hampering the rescue efforts. Because I did see on my way, this is my second visit here, some of the buildings that were that looked fine before were also damaged.
The earthquake was incredibly powerful, unleashing widespread destruction without warning. A force so intense, it wiped out history in seconds. This 2,000-year-old castle among the wreckage.
Bu gece saat
At 4:17 a.m. we experienced the worst disaster of the century since the 1939 Erzincan earthquake. The earthquake, whose epicenter was in Parachuk in Kahramanmaraş and had a magnitude of 7.7, as per the latest estimates, was felt in a very broad region.
Survivors are being found. Here, a child is pulled from the rubble. The next 48 hours are critical for saving as many lives as possible.
The weather is making the situation even more dangerous for those still trapped. Rain, sleet and snow are slowing down rescuers, with temperatures expected to drop below zero in the coming hours.
Dozens of countries have already pledged aid. The UK is sending 76 search and rescue specialists with dogs and equipment. For survivors, time is now the greatest threat. Siobhan Robbins, Sky News, Turkey.
Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 6th of February 2023 in Turkey. Turkish president has announced a 3-month state of emergency in 10 provinces worst affected by the earthquake. Rescuers in Turkey are battling heavy rain and snow as they race against the clock to find survivors of the earthquake that struck in the early hours of Monday. Adana is full of the homeless, those who lost their homes and others too fearful of aftershocks to return.
Çarşının içi. Anne görüyorum karşıda. Hayatım daha burada değil, Grand Hotel'in karşısı.
Arkadaşlar ben uzun zamandır
Some left without shoes, coats and phone chargers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.